Best 3D Printer. Are you looking for the best 3D printer? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus. The Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus is the perfect solution for creators who want big 3D prints without a big price tag. Offering a rare extra-large build volume in the sub-$500 category, this open-frame FDM printer delivers impressive performance, reliable print quality, and a user-friendly experience ideal for both beginners and budget-minded hobbyists. In testing, it produced more than 20 large and detailed models with consistently very good results, proving its capability for everything from prototypes to artistic creations. Setup is straightforward, requiring only basic assembly, and the open-frame design gives users a clear view of motors, belts, and extrusion components, making the Neptune 4 Plus a great learning tool for newcomers. Once assembled, operation is smooth and accessible, whether you're printing via USB or Wi-Fi. Just be sure to add a filament spool to your order or select a bundle that includes filament to get started right away. Designed to grow with your creativity, the Neptune 4 Plus supports a wide range of materials including PLA, ABS, PTG, TPU, SA, and nylon. With a maximum print resolution of 100 microns and a spacious 15.2 inches by 12.6 inches by 12.6 inches build volume, it's ideal for large projects, cosplay pieces, functional parts, and educational builds. Whether you're a first-time maker or a cost-conscious tinkerer, the Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus offers exceptional value, versatility, and size, making large-format 3D printing more accessible than ever. Number 2. Bambu Lab A1 Mini. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini delivers big creative power in a compact and affordable package. Designed for beginners and hobbyists alike, this advanced FFF 3D printer offers smooth, reliable performance and impressive multi-color capability thanks to its optional, budget-friendly 4-color filament module. Whether you're printing vibrant models, detailed miniatures, or functional parts, the A1 Mini produces high-quality results at a surprisingly fast speed. Setup is effortless, with the printer arriving nearly fully assembled. Beginners will appreciate its intuitive operation, quick startup process, and stable performance. In testing, the A1 Mini delivered consistent, problem-free prints without the typical tuning and maintenance many entry-level printers require. If you choose the combo version, the included add-on module allows seamless multicolor printing with up to 4 filament inputs, making it one of the most affordable color-capable FDM printers available for under $400. Despite its small footprint, the A1 Mini is packed with features typically found in pricier models. It supports a wide range of materials including PLA, PTG, TPU, and PVA, and offers a fine 100-micron resolution for detailed, precise results. Its closed-frame design helps maintain stable temperatures and reduces print noise, while Wi-Fi and microSD connectivity ensure convenient file transfer and remote control. Compact, capable, and cost-effective, the Bambu Lab A1 Mini is the perfect choice for creators seeking multicolor printing, hassle-free setup, and dependable quality without stretching their budget. Number 3. Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Max. Experience fast, ultra-precise resin printing with the Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Max, an advanced SLA 3D printer engineered for professionals, demanding hobbyists, and creators who expect exceptional detail and reliability. Designed with a powerful light source system capable of handling 10-micron calibration files, the M7 Max produces remarkably clean, crisp prints from tiny miniatures to large-format models without sacrificing speed or consistency. One of the M7 Max's standout features is its exceptional automatic resin management. Resin filling, filtering, and reclaiming all happen behind the scenes, allowing users to handle prints more cleanly and focus on creativity rather than maintenance. Combined with its fully enclosed frame, the printer delivers a controlled, efficient, and user-friendly resin printing experience. Despite its professional-grade capabilities, the Photon Mono M7 Max is priced under $1,000, making it an outstanding value for rapid prototyping, functional design, digital sculpting, and intricate hobby work. It offers a generous 11.7 inches by 6.4 inches by 11.8 inches build area, giving users the flexibility to print single large pieces or multiple smaller models in one session. Connectivity is just as advanced, with Wi-Fi, Ethernet, and USB support for seamless file transfer and remote monitoring. Its intuitive UI ensures a smooth workflow from unboxing to final print, even for newer resin printing users. Heavy-duty construction, industrial-level precision, and modern automation make the Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Max a top-tier SLA printer for creators who want flawless results and a streamlined printing process at an unbeatable price. Number 4. Entina Tina2. The Entina Tina2 Mini 3D printer is the perfect entry point into the world of 3D printing, especially for beginners, young creators, and anyone who wants an affordable way to explore this exciting technology. Designed with simplicity, safety, and hands-on learning in mind, the Tina2 removes unnecessary complexity while still offering reliable performance for small-scale projects, crafts, and educational fun. With a compact 120mm x 100mm effective bed size and a 100mm x 120mm x 100mm build volume, this machine is ideal for printing toys, figurines, classroom projects, and creative prototypes. Its transparent, beginner-friendly design makes it an excellent STEM tool, encouraging kids and first-time users to understand how 3D printing works from the moment they start assembling and operating it. In testing, setup proved to be an engaging learning experience, and printing remained straightforward and frustration-free. The Tina2 features a maximum extruder temperature of 245 degrees Celsius, suitable for standard beginner materials like PLA. Although print resolution and build volume are modest, the machine delivers dependable results, perfect for users who value creativity over perfection. A benchy print time of 91 minutes reflects its steady, reliable performance rather than speed-focused design. While advanced features like high-temperature materials or large-format printing aren't part of its mission, the Entina Tina2 shines as a budget-conscious, easy-to-use, and highly accessible 3D printer. Backed by solid customer support and excellent ease of use, it's a fantastic value for families, classrooms, and anyone taking their first steps into 3D printing. Number 5. Flashforge Adventurer 5M. The Flashforge Adventurer 5M is the perfect plug-and-play 3D printer for beginners, hobbyists, classrooms, and anyone who wants a smooth and stress-free entry into 3D printing. Designed with ease of use at its core, this fully enclosed printer offers a safe, quiet, and temperature-stable printing environment ideal for homes, schools, and small studios. Boasting a versatile 220 by 220 by 220 mm build volume, the Adventurer 5M provides more than enough space for toys, engineering prototypes, household gadgets, and creative personal projects. Its intuitive auto-leveling system removes one of the biggest hurdles for new users, ensuring a perfectly calibrated print bed every time. Paired with the durable PEI build plate, prints adhere reliably during printing and release easily once cooled. One of the standout convenience features is the quick-release nozzle system, allowing users to swap nozzles in seconds without tools, perfect for beginners experimenting with different materials or switching between fine detail and faster printing. Cloud control support adds even more flexibility, enabling remote monitoring, file uploads, and print management from anywhere. The Adventurer 5M blends safety, reliability, and modern convenience into a single user-friendly package. With its enclosed frame, automated setup features, and streamlined maintenance, it delivers a true out-of-the-box printing experience with minimal learning curve. Whether you're new to 3D printing or simply want a dependable, easy-to-use machine, the Flashforge Adventurer 5M offers exceptional value and performance from your first print onward.